So, dear people, let me show you how you can start your VTuber journey today. So, first of all, you need to download what is known as VC Face. I'll leave the link in the description, so obviously you can go ahead and download it, and it's absolutely free. It's also open source, that means if you're a programmer type person, you can feel free to tinker around with it. And along with that, you're also going to need this little fella. Vroid Studio, or do you pronounce it Vroid? Well, anyways, through Vroid Studio, you shall have to create your VTuber model. You can create your own custom models. As you can see, I already have got 2 of them made, and there are several other sample models that you can choose from. Hehehe, alright. So since I've already got my ones ready, I'm just gonna head over to VC Face. And then I'm gonna open this, and now all you have to do is add the avatar and then locate the avatar. Now it's been a long time since I've done this, so I forgot totally where my models were. Okay, so models are usually saved in your documents. Vroid, let's just locate Vroid, and there you go. Default, and there's another DF2. Okay, so down you can select your, you choose a camera, then frame rate, etc, and start. And now it's gonna take a while for it to load up. Don't worry, your entire body is going to get prepared soon. Just it's loading up, and if it doesn't, then click on settings. Avatar selection, nope. If anything goes wrong, just click on factory reset. Now open it up again, and then it's gonna show you what to do. You click it, like you download. Oh yeah, and right now, like the recording software I'm using, OBS, you download that too. And then they're gonna show you what to do and stuff like that. Alright. Time is money. Let's get on with it. Skip. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna select my camera again. This. Then my camera frame rate is this. Then I'm gonna start. Okay, something's. I wonder. Oh, well, I just realized it. It's not the software's fault. Like sometimes OBS collides with any other software that's currently using the mic as well as the web camera. So it's alright. Just all you're gonna do is make sure you close down OBS before you launch VC Face, and everything's gonna be alright. You got that? Yay, superb. Alright everyone, have a nice day, and continue on your VTubing journeys. Till next time.